Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Highlander battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Gather all necessary tools, such as a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and your new battery. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Pop your hood and locate the battery, typically found on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Next, disconnect the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place, and lift it out. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your battery brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. Connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it securely. Then, connect the negative terminal cable, ensuring both connections are snug and corrosion-free. After connecting everything, reattach the battery hold-down clamp firmly to prevent any movement while driving. Double-check that both terminals are tight and secure. Now, start your Toyota Highlander to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset your radio presets or clock. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.